Guys, it's Rick, the Cop Car Explorer. Today we're gonna be searching this 2011 Ford Crown Vic. I'm gonna be searching it to see what was left behind after it was decommissioned from the police department. Yo, the FML loyalist got me down, but I'm off that triple shot espresso, so I'm awake like a now. Did that even rhyme? Did it? Okay, yeah, no, I'll stop. All right. These tires though. Look at that, that's like 95% thread. Pretty sick, pretty sick. Okay, so a quick update. I'm gonna be getting rid of the taxi. I'm just gonna take parts from it. I'm gonna get rid of that Canine over here. Gotta get rid of this Mustang, it's a customer's. He's gotta get it out of here. This is my mechanic's personal car. He's swapping a transmission on it. That's gonna be gone. If you can see, this place is pretty empty because I gave up half the lot, and I'm gonna be moving the hell up out of here. Some of my projects. This is a 2008 with like 78,000 miles. Next video, I'll give you guys an update on my auction haul. I ended up picking up around 5 police cars, so stay tuned for that. Check out this little add-on I found, and I just threw it onto my MTS 2000. Fit right in, and it works. Here we go, see? All right, let's not waste any more time. Let's extract all the goodies out of this, starting with this. These just need to be refurbished a little bit. They're Unity. All right, let's take a quick look inside. Oh my goodness, it's freaking hotter than a biscuit. Can you see me sweating? Whew, I'm not even gonna show you my face because you probably, bleh, I look like complete crap. Looks like it's still attached, so I'm gonna have to cut the back pieces. The Touch Master Unitrol controller, and here we have Code 3 arrow stick. They're usually always together. Armrest, still screwed in, and we have a dual mic clip plate. Don't know what that is. Headlight flashers, freedom button. This is probably installed in the back so that when the prisoners want their freedom, they just push this green button right there and they're free to go. It even has a status indicator. I have no idea what this is, but it looks like a telephone thing. I don't know. What's this? Some type of powdery substance. More powdery substance. It's like an ID. See another one over here. Just gonna add it to the ID collections I've been collecting from all these cars. Remove this nice little piece right here. Nothing in these cars get wasted. Stock radio was moved to the bottom so that the laptop can go right here. A siren speaker bracket, either plastic handcuffs or shackles. Trunk pack lid, this needs to be removed. Engine cover, gun locks, stuck to something. Oh, nice. It's a gun holster. Safariland gun holster. Ooh, I wonder if my movie gun will fit on this. Let me go grab it real quick. Here it is. This is actually for left-handed people, so I have no use for this one. It fits perfectly for the movie gun. Check it out. It's heavy. So yeah. How do I look, funny man?
Bacao! Bacao!
Oh yeah? I keep finding these right here. These are little pee bottles. I'm gonna end up carrying one of these. Like, who the heck wants to go to the gas station bathrooms anymore when I could just whip that thing out? Should not be touching this with my bare hands, but it's disgusting. It's a syringe and it still has a needle in it. Look at that. This is part of the reason why I even search these cars. I can't sell a car like this to a customer with this in it. It's a freaking crack pipe with some type of white substance in it. Let's get into this trunk. Please be a biscuit, and I'm talking about bread. This looks like the... Oh, let me move this. This is a Canine cage. But this antenna thing goes here. Anybody missing this piece? It's right here. What kind of bullets are these? Anybody ever seen these before? I know what these are, but not these right here. These are pretty interesting. Another flat. I have so many of these. A collection of smashed center caps. Corkscrew, really? Probably an amplifier. Here is... Oh, nice. Another Touchmaster. Cool. This will go into my collection. This is great. I'm collecting as many of these as possible so I can do some more mystery boxes. Data cables. Lights. Flashlight. Oh, hey, what do you know? It works. A Taser flashlight. I didn't know Taser made flashlights. Oh my, no way. No freaking way. It still works. Nice. Nice. Yes. This is great. Alright, I've been checking this out. This is freaking sick. This is in super good condition. Definitely not police issued. This is just an extra thing. It is super sturdy. Looks like a LED light. Super loud. It literally rips the freaking air around me. Let's go test it out. What do you say? But what the, oh. Dude. Oh my goodness. Okay.
Trust Rick around the taser. He'll get you.
Holy crap. Let's find something to tase. Alright, we'll see if we can catch things on fire. Oh! Fire extinguisher in a can. Okay, I found a brave young man to give this a good little try. Where you want it? Just the...
Right here, the arm.
Oh, you want it in the ribs?
Arm.
How was that?
Yeah, very good.
Yeah,
Yeah, I felt the tingle, yeah.
You want to try it again?
Yeah, sure, why not?
All right.
Oh, shit.
Was that a real wobble?
Yeah, it was. Oh, yeah.
I do.
Screaming now, like,
I literally heard your skin cooking. It's like, The final question: will Taser Strike light the light bar? Let's find out. Well, what do you know? It's working. Also, guys, I would like to apologize. I have not got a chance to send out these elephant cuffs, Smith & Wesson cuffs. I've been so busy with the auction and looking for a new spot that I've been neglecting you guys. I feel bad. You guys are probably super excited about receiving them. All the handcuffs and these, and I'm over here donking off.